Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. As I think so, everyone are fine and doing maths well. So, as we are in the square roots, so we are going to learn more application-based questions in the square roots. So, before going into the application-based questions of the square root, just do subscribe, like, and share everyone. Yeah, everyone has to subscribe. Then only you are going to get the notifications. So whatever the content I'm going to explain step on step, right? One on one I'm going to explain you, right? Square root I have explained, how to find out the squares also done. So all my videos are there in my box. You can go and check it out. And even so, if you wanted to get a notification what is my next video, for that reason you're supposed to subscribe it, right? So do subscribe, like, and share with everyone whoever you think that it is useful. My videos are useful, who are very feeling like maths is difficult, it will be easy for them, right? Please do share with your friends too. So today we are going to learn about the application based questions of square. See how to do a square root by easy way I have told you, right? It's already done. So now, only the one square is not going to be asked you like this. Only root of 1600, he never asks you the questions like this, right? In the competitive exams. The questions will be quite different. Like a root is added with another root. A root is added or a continuous root will be there like this. So in this way, he is going to ask you some questions, right? So how to do that? Clear? How to do that also, I am here to help you out for you. So for that reason, today we are going to see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division problems of a square root. See, everyone will be getting confused while doing a square root problems. So whether we should add these two or whether we have to multiply. What happens if we multiply here? So little confusions. To come right off that, today I am going to take one example for you all. By using that one example, I am going to show you how to add a square root, how to subtract a square root, how to divide and multiply. Clear? So, our topic is application based square root problems, right? Square root problems. So, how to add, subtract. So, add, subtract, multiply, divide. So, quite confusion will be having all the time. So, I have taken one example, root 6 plus root 6. Okay, the same example, root 6 minus root 6. Now the same example, root 6 into root 6. Now this root 6 divided by root 6. Clear? So now this root 6 plus root 6. Again by seeing the number itself, some people will be getting what is this? How we have to do? Now we have to write the value of root 6 here. No, it's quite easy. See, root 6, how many times it is? Only one root 6 is there. So 1 root 6 plus 1 more root 6. How many they are? 1 plus 1? 2. So your answer is 2 root 6. Clear? Easy, right? So I'll give you some more examples with different coefficients also there. Clear? Different times also and I'm going to give you. See here, root 6 minus root 6 is there. So here 1 root 6 is there. Subtracted with 1 more root 6. Then what will be the answer here? The answer will be 0. Clear? Now root 6 into root 6. So, when the same number like this, 6 into 6. So, this becomes what? 6. Your answer is what? 6 over there. Directly you can write root 6, root 6. So, root is removed. Your answer will be 1, 6. Clear? And next, directly we can write here what? 1. In this way, we can easily find out the values of the roots. Now, see one more example I will give you. 3 root 6 plus 8 root 6. How you are going to find? So, this method, root 6 is common here, right? When root 6 is common, we can write 1 root 6 down. Now 8 plus 3 how much? 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it right? It was easy. By seeing the number, we feel like how to do it. Quite difficult it may be, right? He'll be giving you the options in the competitive examinations, right? When you see these options, this will be your answer. See, suppose they have given you 8 root 6 minus 6 root 6. How you will do? Root 6 will be common here. 8 minus 6? 2. Clear? Now see here, multiplication also. 8 root 6 into 6 root 6. Root 6 becomes what? 6. Root 6, 6. Now 8 6 are how much? 48. Now you multiply and write 48 and 6. Easy, right? Then next, 8 root 6 divided by 6 root 6. This root 6 gets cancelled. Then 2 3s are 2 4s are. Your answer is what? 4 by 3. So in this way, we can easily solve the number of questions with the same root. If it is having the same root, at that time we are going to do like this. Suppose the roots are like this. Suppose I have given you the, asked you to simplify root 49 plus root 100. Root 49 I know what it is. Directly I can write 7. Right? But 100 how you are going to write? So you are not going to stop here only. Why? Because our answer is not this. Right? This one how you are going to write? See. 100 can be written as 100. 25 fours are we can write 25 into 4. 25 fours are is 100, right? Now see 7 plus root 25 into root 4. So 7 plus 25 root is how much? 5 into 2. 7 plus 10. It is equals to 17. In this way, they are going to ask you the questions. See, 100 is not a perfect root. 100 is not having a perfect square root. But we can make it to write like this, right? 25 fours is how much? 100, right? 100. Then 25 is having a perfect square root, right? Then 4 is having a perfect square root, right? By simplifying, we can easily find out the answer over there. I think so. It will be useful for you all, and you start doing by using the different examples over there. If you take in place of 6, you take 5. In place of 7, in place of 6, you take a 3, 11. Like in place of 100, you can even take 60. Like that. If you take different examples in different way, we can solve the problems. I think so. And watch the video till the end. At that time only you are going to understand the concept clearly. Clear? So thank you. Stay tuned to Vani Vision.